Hey everybody, here we are. This is Bobby at Bobby's Hobbies, and we are with the GG-1 that we got at the Wayne Train Show that has been rebuilt, restored, even the pantographs. I only put one spring on there, but they seem to be pretty good. And let's see if she can go. Wow, that's smooth. Let's try the reverse. See, the light goes on the other way. Yes. Not too fast, that's okay. You know, I want to put this pantograph down because my luck she'll catch on something. I don't know if there's anything on the track, I hope not. 12-wheel drive, 2 motors. Motors were from older Tyco GG-1s that I had, again, that I had converted to Lima motors and other things to have more of a prototypical drive unit. This was such a beautiful shell, you know, paint job caught my eye, and she's running like a champ. Let's hope she can make it back on the inaugural run after the Wayne Train Show. You know, I might have a black weight somewhere. I just don't know where it is. Yeah, but this is kind of neat. It works. It looks pretty. It's kind of like King Henry VIII's colors, you know. It's got gold wheels, gold Pennsylvania Railroad letters. It's got the... oh, that's the dirty track zone back there. I don't blame that. I haven't cleaned that track. Even the good engines get stuck there. I don't know if I could reach it. I need a piece of styrofoam. Anything else is kind of dangerous. Well, let's see. Really should clean this up. Oh, there's just that one dirty little spot there. All right, that's some more maintenance I have to do. Where is she? Oh, she made it around. So I gotta just clean the track. Where is she? Yeah, I better clean the tracks. Hey, thank you so much for watching and taking this journey. And I hope you love trains as much as I do. Wow. Like I said, it's got burgundy, silver, gold, black ermine. It's all like it could be King Henry VIII's train if he were around. Just got to clean the old tracks. So from Bobby at Bobby's Hobbies, this was a very successful restoration. And it's got more power than it normally would have. It's going to go in that dead zone again. Unless a miracle happens and it passes through. We'll see. I don't think so. Nope. All right. Let's get it out of there, though. You know, because that's all I need to do is forget it's there, which I'm apt to do, and run some monster Athern that never stops. It'll knock it off into the abyss. Yep. Oh, now she's dead over there. Oh, she's gone. All right. Thanks for watching.